The basic message here is that we can produce our electricity from the sun. Getting that message out around the country, around the world, is really going to have a big impact. Give Solar is a project that started about 7 years ago. It started out as a project intended to help nonprofit organizations to install solar to reduce their overhead costs. A couple years after we started, I got involved with Habitat for Humanity. Since then, we've installed close to 80 solar systems on Habitat homes across the state. Electricity rates are going up, and the homeowners who have solar, they're protected from that inflation in electricity prices. We're planning to hold an event. This is the launch of the Habitat National Solar Program. It's going to be here in Harrisonburg, right here on Suter Street, on September 20th, and we're inviting lots of special guests. On that day, we are going to install solar panels on the 3 units right here behind me. We're going to be celebrating the completion of our statewide project, and then we're going to launch our national project on the 20th. We want to install solar on 10,000 homes in all 50 states and Puerto Rico. We're hoping that some of the big names gets behind this, because this is a really concrete project that has the potential to really affect a lot of lives.